Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Before we get started in today's video, don't forget to join our free Facebook community, get real answers to real credit questions, learn from some of the experts in our industry, as well as from other people that are in similar situations that are taking advantage of the free content, improving their credit and making their credit situation better. Hope to see you guys on the inside.
Hi, this is Leslie, and we're back with the Credit Agents Talk Show. Today, we're going to be talking about collection accounts. Before we get started, I just want to state that this is in no way, shape, or form legal or financial advice. This is for educational purposes, and should you need assistance, contact a licensed professional in your area. A common misconception is that paying a collection or a charge-off will increase the credit score. Well, that's not always the case. Unless you negotiate to have that item removed and you have it in writing from the creditor that upon a settlement or a payment, it would come off your credit report. So essentially, no matter what the balance is, if it's a $0 collection or $1,000, a negative mark on your credit definitely affects you. So what should you do? We always recommend checking and reviewing your credit report for discrepancies or inaccuracies. If there are discrepancies, dispute those negative items. Demand that they be permanently deleted from your report. So what does an inaccuracy look like? You should be reviewing the credit report for misspelling of your name, account numbers, and all relevant account information. After disputing this item, if you've been going back and forth and you're not able to get this account deleted, my recommendation would be call the collection agency. See if you can negotiate on the debt, and after paying it, receive a letter of deletion. Also, check with your state law to see what the statute of limitations are. The last thing that you want to do is have unwanted litigation for a debt that your debtor has the right to collect on. Now remember, even if a collection account is removed, the debtor still has a right to try to collect on that payment. Woo, that was a lot to unpack. It's okay if you feel overwhelmed. Improving your credit is a journey. Take it step by step, and just know that we're always here to walk you through the process if you need some help. Okay, that is it for today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.